Hi, everybody. We are working on Unit 3, Lesson 8, Running Trails Extra Practice Problems. Really want to make sure you do well on these problems so that you will do well on the test. So let's work through some of these together. Number one, this is at 9 a.m. Two people leave their homes that are 16 miles apart, walking towards each other. If one person walks at 3 miles per hour and the other one walks at 5 miles per hour, at what time will they meet? So let's first draw a picture. Here they are on the trail. They're 16 miles apart. One person walks at 3 miles per hour, and the other person walks at 5 miles an hour. So I want to set up a table to show that these people together, their distance is 8 miles an hour, and their time is an hour. Distance in 1 hour. They walk 8 miles in 1 hour. But we're trying to make them walk 16 miles. I'm trying to figure out how to get to 16. So think about, well, what times 8 equals 16? That's times 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. So in order for them to walk 16 miles, it will take them 2 hours. So 2 hours. But it says, at what time will they meet? Well, at what time? 2 hours from where they start will be at 11 a.m. Right, second problem, a runner and a man on crutches are 15 miles apart. I'm going to draw this picture for 15 miles apart. The runner jogs at 5 miles an hour and the man on crutches hobbles at 1 mile per hour. Here's our jogger, and they run at 5 miles per hour. And the man on crutches, he goes at 1 mile per hour. I want to know at what time, or how long will it be until they meet on the trail? How long will it be? What is their time? So let's make a table. Their distance and their hours. Well, their distance together, 5 and 1 is 6. And they do 6 miles in 1 hour. We know that they will be able to go 15 miles. That's what we're looking for, that for them to both go 15 miles. Now, I don't think 6 and 15 multiply together too well, like 6 times something is 15. So I can divide these two to 15 divided by 6. So let's do that. 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. So I know that I'm going from 6 to 15, I'm getting bigger. So that would be times 2.5. And 1 times 2.5 is 2.5. So the time it takes them to go 15 miles is 2.5 hours. Number 3, 2 cars started from the same point at 5 a.m., traveling in opposite directions at 40 and 50 miles respectively. At what time will they be 450 miles apart? So I'm going to say, here's where they start. One person is taking one car and going 40 miles that way, or 40 miles per hour, and the other car is at 50 miles per hour. And they're going 2 different directions. So at what time will they be 450 miles apart? This still is a table. I can set up a table to solve it. Distance and hours. So together, their distance, they are covering 90 miles in 1 hour. They want to get 450 miles apart, and that is distance, because distance is in miles. Well, I don't know. 450 and 90, so let's go ahead and divide. 450 divided by 90 is 5. So I know that I'm either multiplying or dividing by 5. Well, I'm getting from 90 to 450, and that's getting bigger, so I'm multiplying by 5. Multiplying by 5, and 1 times 5 is 5. So it's going to take them 5 hours to be 450 miles apart. Look right here. Okay, our last one, number 4. I write, you write. Write this down. Draw pictures just like I am. 2 slow grandparents and 2 slow grandchildren walk towards each other on the trail in hopes that they will meet for a picnic. The grandparents walk with canes and walk at a rate of 1.9 miles per hour. The grandchildren are just a little faster and walk at a rate of 2.1 miles per hour. How much time will it take until they meet? The one thing we're missing is how far apart they are. 11 miles apart. So add that to your problem. So here's the picture. Again, in 2 different places. 11 miles apart. The grandparents, they are slow. They walk at 2.1 miles per hour. The grandchildren are slower. I think I got it backwards. The grandparents are 1.9 miles per hour. The grandchildren are just a little faster, 2.1 miles per hour. This is the children. This is the grandparents. Okay, so we can set up a table to solve. We have distance and their time in hours. The distance, we know that together, if we add their distance together, is 4. They work 4 miles in 1 hour. They need to go 11 miles. So let's figure out how we multiply or divide 4 to 11. So let's divide these two just to see. 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. And on this side, 2.75. Now let's take a look. I'm going from 4 to 11. That's getting bigger, so I must be multiplying. And 1 times 2.75 is 2.75. Now, because it's time, it says how much time will it take until they meet. Well, I do know that the first part of that is 2 hours. Let's look at the second part of it. I've got 0.75. So 0.75 as a decimal is the same thing as 75 cents out of $1. And if I reduce it one more time, it's 3/4. So 3/4 of an hour, if I draw like a nice round clock, and I cut into 4 parts, and each part is 15 minutes. So 0.75 in time would be 2 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, thank you so much for participating. Good thing to get that practice in.